skies were clear, the throne was bright. Peace had returned with Snow White's light, but deep within her heart still yearned for lands unknown and lessons learned. One quiet day while books she read, she found a map rolled by her bed. It glowed with stars and paths untold, a trail of dreams both brave and bold. With satchel packed and friends nearby, she waved the castle all goodbye. The forest called with song and breeze, with secrets hidden in the trees. Through golden hills and rivers wide, Snow White walked with hope as guide. Each step she took, her smile grew, for every path held something new. The birds would sing, the flowers danced, as deeper in the wood she pranced. Adventure sparkled in